find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2 comma minus 1 and having the center 2 comma 3. So find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. Now this is the circle. The circle passes through the point 2 comma minus 1. So we take this point is equals to P and center is equal to 2 comma 3. Center 2 comma 3, that is C. So given that center is equal to 2 comma 3 and point on the circle P is equal to 2 comma minus 1, clearly the distance between them is equals to radius, that is R is equals to CP. CP means just we are finding the distance between the 2 points, square root of distance between the 2 points, 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus minus 1, 3 plus 1 whole square, that equals to 0 plus 3 plus 1, 4 square, 16. Root 16 equals to 4. This is the radius value, and given that center is equals to C 2 comma 3. Now equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 4 square. Now taking the expansions, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equals to 16. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9, 13 minus 16 equals to 0. So the answer is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equals to 0. The next concept is equation of a circle in standard form. So to deduce the equation of a circle in standard form, let us take the equation of pair of straight line. So the equation of pair of straight lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the pair of straight line. Now the condition for this pair of straight line is to represent the equation of circle is a is equals to b and h is equals to 0. That is, if in the pair of straight line x square quotient is equals to y square quotient and there is no xy term, then that equation becomes the equation of the circle. So if we take a is equal to b and h is equal to 0 in the above equation to get the equation of the circle. So substituting a is equals to b here, that is ax square plus h is equals to 0. H is equal to 0 means the second term becomes 0 plus b is equals to a y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now that is ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This equation represents the equation of the circle, and in this equation if we take a is equals to 1, then the equation becomes, just I am taking a is equal to 1 in this equation, then it becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And this is called the equation of the circle in standard form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle in standard form. So equation of a circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Center is equal to minus g minus f and radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. And the condition for the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is to represent a circle is x square quotient is equal to y square quotient and xy term is equal to 0. That is a is equal to b, x square quotient equal to y square quotient, that is a is equal to b, and xy term is equal to 0, that is h is equal to 0. The center and radius to the following circles. First problem, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. Now to find the center and radius to this circle, we are using the formulas. Center is equal to minus g minus f and radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, since it is in the form of the standard form. So first we are comparing this equation with standard form equation. So given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 equals to 0. compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then 2g is equal to minus 4. X quotient, x quotient. 2g is equal to minus 4. 2f is equals to minus 8. And c is equals to minus 41. 2g is equal to minus 4. Then g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equals to minus 8. Then f is equals to minus 4. Therefore, center is equals to minus g comma minus f equals to 2 comma 4. G is equal to minus 2. Then minus g is equal to minus of minus 2 plus 2. F is equal to minus 4. Then minus f is equal to minus of minus 4 plus 4. And radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to square root of g square 4 plus f square 16 minus c is equal to minus 41. That is minus of minus plus 41. 16 plus 4, 20 plus root 41 is equal to root 61. Therefore, center is equal to 2 comma 4 and radius is equal to root 61. Next problem. 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now to this equation we want to find the center and radius. So before finding the center and radius to this circle, we should convert this equation in standard form. So standard form means x square quotient and y square quotient is equals to 1, then that is said to be the standard form equation. So to change this equation to the standard form, we are dividing this total equation by the number 2. That is, first given equation is, first I am writing the given equation, 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we divide this equation by number 2 to convert this equation into the standard form. That is 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. That is 2x square by 2 x square plus 2y square by 2 y square minus 4x by 2 minus 2x plus 6y by 2 3 minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now we are comparing this equation with standard form 3 by. This is 3 by minus 3 by 2. Now compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then 2g is equals to minus 2, 2f is equals to 3 and c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then g is equal to minus 1 and f is equals to 3 by 2. Therefore, center is equals to minus g comma minus 2. That is 1 comma minus 3 by 2. And radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to square root of g square 1 plus f square minus 3 by 2 whole square. That is 9 by 4 minus c. c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus of minus plus 3 by 2 is equals to, now taking LCM, here 4 is LCM, then 4 into 1, 4 plus 9 plus 2 is cancelled by 2 times, 2 into 3, 6 is equals to root 13 plus 6, root 19 by 4. Find a comma b if ax square plus by square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 represents a circle. Also find the radius and center of the circle. So find a, first we have to find the values of a comma b. So given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Given that it represents a circle, so it represents a circle means what is the condition for the equation is to represent a circle? X square quotient is equals to y square quotient and x square term is equal to 0. Since it represents a circle, the condition is x square quotient is equals to y square quotient and xy term is equals to 0. That is x square quotient is equals to a y square quotient is equal to 3. That is a is equal to 3 and x square term is equal to 0. That is x square quotient is equal to 0. Then b is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation becomes 3x square plus this is 0. 0 into x by 0 plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now also find the radius and center to this circle. To find the center and radius to this circle, first we have to convert this equation into the standard form. Means we are dividing this total equation by 3. That is, dividing this equation by 3. 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 by 3. That is, x square plus y square minus 5x by 3 plus 2y by 3 minus 3 by 3. That is minus 1 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then 2g is equal to minus 5 by 3, then g is equal to minus 5 by 6 and 2f is equals to y quotient 2 by 3, then f is equals to 1 by 3 and last value c is equals to minus 1. Therefore, center is equals to minus c comma minus f is equals to 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3 and radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is square root of g square 25 by 36 plus f square minus 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9 minus c value minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 is equals to square root of, taking 36 LCM, 25 plus 9. 9 is cancelled by 4 times. 4 into 1. 4 plus 36 into 1. 36 is equals to square root of 36 plus 4. 40 plus 25. 65 by the 36. That's it. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0 represents a circle with center minus 4 minus 3. Then find g comma f and radius r. So given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equals to 0 and also given that center c is equals to minus 4 comma minus 3. So first we are comparing the given equation with standard form. Compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then 2g is equals to 2g. Then and g is equals to g. And 2f is equals to 2f. Y quotient, y quotient. 2f is equals to f. Then f is equals to f. And c is equals to constant. There is no constant in the given equation. So c is equals to 0. And also given that center is equals to minus 4 minus 3. But center formula minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus f. So minus 3 minus f is equals to minus 4 minus 3. That is minus g is equals to minus 4 and minus f is equals to minus 3. Then g is equals to 4 and f is equal to 3. And next radius value r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to square root of g square 4 square 16 plus f square 3 square 9 minus c value 0 is equals to root 25 and that equals to 5.